Number one, a pretzel shop makes two different batches of pretzels. Each batch includes 10 pretzels. Batch A contains 4/5 pound of butter. Batch B contains 7/10 pound of butter. One pretzel from batch A contains how much more butter in pounds than one pretzel from batch B? So the goal of our problem is which batch contains the most pounds of butter in one pretzel, with our key numbers being one batch and 10 pretzels. Batch A has 4/5 pounds of butter and batch B has 7/10 of butter. So how can we figure out how many pounds does one pretzel have? So first, let's figure out which one of our fractions, which one of our batches, batch A or batch B, even has more butter. So if we're going to compare fractions, it's important that we have them in the same denominator. So I have 4/5 and I have 7/10. And I know if I multiply top and bottom of 4/5, it's going to give me 8/10. And now 8/10 and 7/10, these are the same denominators, so I could correctly compare these fractions. So I know that 8/10 is greater than 7/10, so batch A is going to have 1/10 more pounds of butter. But don't get fooled. That does not mean D is going to be your answer, because these 1/10 pounds of butter is going to be located in 10 pretzels. Because remember, one batch equals 10 pretzels. So now we have to do 1/10 divided by 10. So this way to think about division is you're really trying to think about what number, when added 10 times to itself, is going to equal 1/10. Like, for example, 10 divided by 1 equals 10, because 1 plus 1 plus 1 10 times equals 10. So what 10 numbers, when added to each themselves, equals 1/10? Well, I know 1/10 is the same as 10 hundredths, meaning that I'm going to need 10 1/100ths to get to 1/10, making our answer be 1/100th.